Hey guys, welcome back to Chef G's Kitchen. If today is your first time of coming across my page, I say a warm welcome to you. On today's episode, we'll be making this mouth-watery and spicy white soup. My people call it afiafere. For this recipe, I'll be using hard chicken, that is old layers. I like to use it for its intense flavor and fat. To season the chicken, I'll add salt, seasoning cubes and pepper. I'm not a fan of onion in white soup, so I'll skip that, but you can add it if you like to use onion. Next, I'll be adding the yam that I have peeled and cubed so they can, cook together. Once the yam is soft, I'll take them out and pound. You can also blend it with your food processor. Eating egg yolk like this brings me so much joy. You see the oil released from the chicken? It will give our soup a nice and creamy taste. So to start the soup, I'll introduce my stockfish head and washed dry fish, and also add crayfish. And to make the soup spicy, I'll blend and add Osuza seed and Ehuru, and also add Uyayak. I'll add seasoning and more water to cover the soup. After bringing it to a boil, I'll add the pounded yam and cover the pot until the yam is all dissolved in the soup. Lastly, I added fresh Osuza leaf and our mouth-watery white soup is ready! You can pair it with pounded yam, fufu or any swallow of your choice. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to always get our delicious recipes. Bye!